Good morning, student. In last lecture, we have to say the performance of the medium transmission line in nominal and conditional method. Now we have to see the nominal T method. In nominal T method, all the line capacitance is assumed to be concentrated at the middle point of the line. Half of the line resistance and the reactance are lumped on the both sides. If you are seen in the end conditional method, all the capacitance effect are seen in the end of the line. Now we have to see the capacitance effect in the middle point of the line. Now we have to see the full charging current flow over the half of the line. If you are the scene and the full charging current is the flow of this only this part, only this part. The I will draw. You can easily the half of the full charging current is through only this part, and now in the previous method the full charging current throw in this part. So here the one advantage is to the full charging current will throw only the half part of the transmission line. Now we have to set the derivation of the all the equation formulation for finding the parameter of the medium transmission line in the T method. Now we have to see. First of all, we taking about the receiving end voltage as a reference voltage. So receiving end voltage is a reference voltage. So VR is equal to our angle is 0. Now we have to draw here. This is the VR. This is a VR. Now we have IR is equal to IR angle minus IR. So how can we have to directly put us the IR is a minus IR? So our power factor, define the power factor. So upon to power factor, we have to inverse force inverse power factor. So we get the IR. So now we have to IR. This is our IR. This is the angle IR. After that, we have to find out the VC. VC is equal to VR plus IR R by 2 plus IR JXL by 2. Why we have to R by XL2 and JXL by 2? Because of the half of the impedance part is to remain in this part and the half is only up here. So we have to do that. So voltage appear here plus voltage drop in this part is equal to voltage located to here. So we get the voltage VC is equal to VR plus IR R by 2 IR JXL by 2. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा कि VC हमारा क्या है कि जो वोल्टेज यहाँ पर हमारे है वो यहाँ पर वोल्टेज इस पॉइंट पे अपीयर हो रहे हैं, वोल्टेज इस पॉइंट पे वो प्लस जो इस दोनों कंपोनेंट पे वोल्टेज ड्रॉप हो रहे हैं वो हमारा VC होगा, क्योंकि जहाँ पर VC हमारा फाइंड किया हुआ है यहाँ पर. ठीक है, तो अब बात कीजिए कि जो वोल्टेज अपीयर those voltage appear in a capacitance is on 90 degree lag from the reference voltage. So VC is 90 degree lead from the our reference voltage. So this is the VC. Now VC we have to find a VC. Although IC is flowing through the IR, so IC is a lead to the some power current IR plus IC. So this is the IC. Okay, now we have to find it the VC and IC. We have to also find out the IC from the VC by JXC. So already we have to find one. And what is the IS? This is the IS. So this is the IS is equal to the IR plus IC is equal to our IS. So already we know the IR. What is the IR? And plus we have to add to IC. So directly we have to find. And what is the VS? So voltage appear here. This is the VC plus voltage drop in this part. So this is the our voltage appear here is equal to VS. So voltage drop here is equal to IS divided by R by 2 or reactor because of the half of the part is located to here. So we get to find out the VS. So how can we find out the VS to here? So you can draw. This is our voltage reference voltage. So voltage drop in this part, I will show. This is voltage drop in this part. This is the IR into R by 2 and the IR multiply XL by 2. So we get that this is our VC, updated VC. Okay, this is our VC, and this is this IR, this is R, and IS. This is IR plus XC, now 90-degree XC. So this is our VS. We can directly find out the VS from the parallelogram of the both the angle. This is the parallelogram technique. To we have to go draw the VS, and here we have to also apply the parallelogram technique to finding the VC. So we have to go for the next. What type of the process we have to done? Now we have to taking the one example of the finding of the VS, and this is the example is not I will done to all these things to here. I will only give the guideline to finding this example. You can calculate this example by your own self in a homework. You can do by your own. I will give some guideline for the finding this example to yourself. Now first, see the what is the statement of the example. The statement of the example is like this. A medium three-phase transmission line is a 100 kilometer long as the following constant. So resistance per kilometer per phase. This is the important term to how can we read the statement. So resistance per kilometer per phase is equal to 0.15 ohm. Reactance per kilometer per phase is equal to 0.3. 77 ohm. Capacitance reactance per phase per kilometer is 31.87 ohm. Receiving and line voltage is equal to 132 kilowatt. Assume the load capacitance of the line is localized as the middle point of the line. So assume the capacitance is the middle point at the line. So this is the only we have to say this is a T model. The line delivered the load of the 72 megawatt at the 0.8 power factor lagging. Now we have to getting the power bank. Now we have to finding the what is the angle between voltage and current in the receiving end. We have to also define, and we have to get we have to power off. So we have to power. This is our power. Now power we have to create the subject of the IR. We get already finding for the power to receiving and current, and already this angle we have to getting for the cos inverse of the reactor power factor. Now second in VC, we have to getting the all equations to finding the already we know IR, R what is the R and the XL we have already know, and after that putting this all equation we have to finding the VC. Whatever the IC already VC we have to find, XC we have to find, we have to get first things we have to know about the all the multiplication and division do in the polar form, all the subtraction and summation do in the rectangle form. So do not create subtraction and multiplication in a polar form, and multiplication and division in the rectangle form. So this is the conversion by default. If you are do multiplication and division in rectangle, this is the wrong answer. So we already I see. So the example you have to know, and the putting is all the value to finding the value. Now VS already you have to finding VS, and IS already you know. And after that, we have finding the percentage voltage regulation and percentage transmission efficiency by using the previous formulations. The next lecture, we have to finding the nominal pi method and how can we solve the nominal and what is the important nature nominal pi methods. Up to so this, we have to end this lecture. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you for your attention.